And breaking news coming in. Bombay High Court grants a stay on demolition. So the hearing that had just started in the Bombay High Court, Kangana Ranaut had approached the High Court, has put a stay on the demolition. That's the big news coming in. Part of the demolition has already happened. We can say at least phase one. If they could go further, that has been put a stay on. And I just want to remind you that this demolition that you see on your screen started about 10:30 a.m. And there was a Twitter tirade from Kangana Ranaut on social media. So this demolition is over. BMC workers have left. Was there more to be done? Or is this all? Because the court has now put a stay that there cannot be any more demolition on the Pali Hill office of Kangana Ranaut in Mumbai. But parts of it has already been demolished, called as illegal. We'll try and get to the latest from the Bombay High Court as well. Remember, the moment the earth mover, the hammer and the drills were seen at the office, Kangana Ranaut's team immediately approached the Bombay High Court. She was in her flight when that decision was taken to take the legal route. At about 12:30 p.m., the hearing started via video conferencing. Her lawyer, Rizwan Siddiqui, was sitting in a vehicle and with video conferencing trying to show the situation that was there at the Pali Hill office. But the demolition has finished for now. Nevertheless, the Bombay High Court has granted a stay on the demolition by the BMC. What does this mean? Could this mean any sort of reimbursement? Could this mean that there cannot be further demolition against her office? But part one has happened already. The POK jibe has proven too heavy for Kangana Ranaut, but she continues with the tirade. She's still calling the whole standoff as Pakistan situation. She's still calling this a Babur's army. She's called this office as Ram Temple. She's using all possible connotations to provoke the Shiv Sena further. She's ensuring that she's not going to back down. It will now only be clear when she lands in Mumbai as a Y category protectee. Will she come directly to her office? Will she quarantine herself in her home? Vidya is now joining me and for this breaking news to give us update. But Vidya, the part of demolition, at least phase one has happened. So Bombay High Court nevertheless granting a stay on demolition by the BMC. Over to you, Vidya.
Yes, in fact, there was a thorough hearing which happened over video conferencing. Rizwan Merchant, he was right, Rizwan Siddiqui, I'm sorry, he was connected through the video conferencing from Bandra itself. He was right at the site of demolition, and from there he was connected to the court, where he told the court about all the illegalities as to how the entire demolition had really taken place. On the other hand, BMC advocates were present too, and they told the court that there was thorough illegality. There were notices that were given beforehand. So after hearing the arguments, for further hearing, which is kept at 3 o'clock tomorrow, until then the demolition has been stayed until then. So until tomorrow 3 o'clock there is a stay on this entire demolition process that has been happening at the Bandra area of Mumbai.
So how long did the hearing go, Vidya, if you can tell us? What time did it start? Because it was video conferencing via the lawyer, because we saw him sitting in his vehicle and trying to show any live visual if required. So it was done through video conferencing is what you're picking up?
Well, Rizwan Siddiqui was very clear that he wanted to show the court as to how this entire demolition was happening, sitting right there at ground zero. He went in, he showed the court as to how the demolition had been done, how the boundary wall and all those areas which the BMC has really smashed down using the JCBs. That was shown by Rizwan Siddiqui, and he told the court that this was totally illegal because 24 hours notice was given without asking, even able to challenge that notice. He had replied to that notice that had been given. Even in spite of that, the entire demolition happened. The entire argument did go on for quite a long time. Remember, between 12:30 till now, the entire hearing was happening. The court went through all the legalities, the documents put forth by Rizwan Siddiqui as well as the BMC, and it is only after that that this entire stay has been granted. Well, the court really wants to look into this entire issue of legality of demolition tomorrow, and so it is only a preliminary stage at which this entire stay has been granted until the court really decides on this issue, until tomorrow.